How to screen record on the iPhone 16 series. First, swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top right hand corner to open up the control center. Next, tap on the add button. Then in here, tap on add a control at the bottom. Next, you want to scroll down to the section display and brightness. In here, tap on screen recording. Now it will be added to your control center. After that, swipe up to save the changes. Now to begin the screen recording, you can tap on the screen recording button right there, and it will start to count down and start the screen recording. So here you can see when I move around my screen, it will start to record, and you can tap on the dynamic island, and then from there you can tap on the stop button to stop the recording. And here we can go into photos and view our screen recording. So I just close that and go back to my library, and here it is. That is my recent screen recording. And that is how you can screen record on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.